Uncle and Hodla, I welcome you, both of you. There's one story. A man here is sleeping with his woman who has cancer. No, not who have cancer, who is suffering from cancer.
That much of a sexual person to where, despite what she's going through right now, you still feel like there's a happy medium in terms of her pleasuring you.
There's a difference between wants and needs, all right? And I'm a person who actually needs sex, not a person who wants sex. Now, at times I want it, but I actually need it. Life throws us curveballs like what we're going through right now. What Kimmy is doing is admirable as a spouse. To roll over and suffer through it, fakes it, all for me. Because at that moment, it's something that she completely didn't desire, right? So I look at it as her standing by me while I'm standing by her. As difficult as it may seem, we should all feel that we would be better people and say, oh, no, I don't want or need sex for however long it takes for you to recover. But we then live in reality where that's not true.
I want to ask you this. So when you say you need sex, not want it, you need it. Obviously, there's things we need. We need oxygen. We need water. There's certain things we need in order to be able to live a healthy life. Why do you need sex?
I need sex like Carlos needs mess.
Watch the full video. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel.
Abomination.
100%.
Abomination.
100%.
Let me tell you something. A man like that should be castrated.
Brother man.
You should cut off his...
Brother man.
Cut the lulu off and throw it to the river.
What are you saying, man?
What are you saying? How can you be sleeping with a woman that is suffering from cancer? Let me tell you something. If he was back in the... Wait, is he black or white?
He is...
He's a black man. There's no between. In America,
there's no America. Either you are black or you are white.
Yeah. If Obama black, then he is also black.
Oh, so let me tell you. If he was during the slave trade, they would have sold him to the slave masters. How dare you? How dare you? Will you keep quiet? The way I'm saying, you are very you will do something like that. How can you even think of it?
Don't forget producer. It's not
Which producer?
here.
Let me tell you
about that guy who
I don't care. If you do that with somebody I know, he's very lucky I don't know the woman personally. I would have. How can you?
You got 7, 9 children.
Let me tell you, a man like that is able to sleep with a woman that is suffering from cancer, he can sleep with a dead woman.
But castration is too far.
Oh, I don't know. See, you bring the people here to come and be insulting me. This is the problem. You bring in this hoodlum, and see the way I'm saying you now, I don't think you are hoodlum anymore.
What is your problem with
because I am saying him like it's like this man is a Taliban. I need to shift away from this area. He's a Taliban. Yes. See the way he's doing. I don't.
My friend.
Somebody is sleeping with a woman that has sorry for cancer, and you are here saying something.
No,
else.
just because I said that don't mean I'm Taliban, my friend.
It's okay.
Yeah. Continue.
I'm Africa. I don't trust
brother
anybody.
Man,
I have told you already. That man is not okay. In fact, he's the most stupid person I've heard of in my life. For you to have done a thing like that, you know what?
Let me say something, my friend. You know the meaning of FBI?
FBI.
Frequency, billionaire,
Forget.
identity.
FBI is the American police now.
Do you know why FBI was created?
FBI.
The real meaning of FBI, the creation.
What is the real meaning?
Let me see. I'm not
in
here
America,
for that.
yeah, so many black people. So the white people, they sit down and they say, "Fear black people indeed."
Fear black people indeed. That is FBI.
Thank you. They just
fear black people indeed.
Thank you.
FBI.
Yes.
No
they just sit down. They observe black people. Look at him.
Yes.
He's from Ghana. He's from Congo. He's from Angola. But all wicked. All wicked. So he said, fear black people indeed.
So you mean it's only Africa, only black people that can do a thing like this?
I'm not saying that.
Thank God I'm not African.
I'm not saying that.
Thank God I am not African.
Okay.
Because in this case I have to deny Africans.
You are not African.
How can you? This is how they will be saying all Africans are the same.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah. How can you behave like this? You are sleeping with a woman. Thank God I'm not African.
Forget the story. Me, I can't say more. Man.
If I catch that man, If I catch that man, if I catch that
But
man,
it's his wife, not his girlfriend. It's his wife.
even if it's his, whatever age he is to him, he does not have any right to do that. Do you know what cancer means?
Let me just.
Dude.
I know that I watch her on TV. The wife. Her name is Kimi, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, you are
Kimi.
Yes.
Kimi.
Kimi.
You know the information.
I wish you well.
But is she beautiful?
My friend, you can't afford.
Uncle, you have enough children.
What's her name?
No, you can't afford.
I can't afford.
No, financially, it's too much for you.
I can't afford.
No.
Uncle, are you not satisfied?
Mark me. I will buy you. I will buy you. Then you know I can afford. I will buy him. Brought in this talisman to come and be sorting me.
No problem.